What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. So, we have got a little box from Noah. I bought a couple things off of him, and I'm just going to show you what's in here. Alright, so first off, we can see right here, you can see the IC logo, so we'll take a look at this first. This is not the main thing that I got for the video, but this is a CE operator's manual. So, really interesting. I don't have much IC stuff like this, so decided to pick this up from him, and I'll go through here eventually and scan this and check it out. And yeah, we also got first gen in here, so that kind of gives you a time period of this, 2002. So real early IC right there. All right, but the main thing we're looking at is this model right here. Take this out. We can see that this is a S1800 model, and we're missing the hood. That happens to be right here, because these hoods are very easy to make fall off. They're not really secured on there well, just by this little thing right there, and then you just kind of got to clip it on. So it's not done very well. All of mine are broke like that. But so this is a really unique one for one reason in particular. So I got one of my other S1800 models. This is the one that I currently have, and this is the one that we just opened up. And if you take a look right here and right here, you will notice there is no logo on this bus, but there is a logo on this one. So you can see that that is a Thomas Built Buses logo. We have one right here on the other side as well, and the stop sign has not fallen off. We're going to be really careful with this stop sign as well. But if we take a look at the bottom right here, we have limited edition serial number 5194 with Thomas Built Buses logo. And if we take a look on this one right here, we just have limited edition serial number 1480. So there's not a whole lot of information on the buses with the Thomas logo, but obviously a limited edition of a limited edition is going to be much harder to find. And I am extremely happy that this is now in my collection. So one other kind of odd thing. So this one obviously doesn't have the box. You just saw me open that on camera for the first time. But this one does. And if we take a look at the original box, we can see that this is a Carpenter S1800 and not a Thomas S1800. And I point that out because you can very clearly see that both of these buses are modeled off of Thomas's based off of the doors. We have this little raise right there. The back is very clearly a Thomas. And going back to this bus, I wonder if, because this was a limited edition bus with the Thomas logo on there, we would have a different box than this one right here, because this was a limited edition. I have not seen any other box other than that Carpenter S1800 one, but I would be very interested to know if there is any others. And that raises the question of, are there any other variants out there? Do we have a white roof, or do we have a Carpenter, Bluebird, Ward variant maybe? Because there were, you know, so few of these limited edition of the limited editions, it really makes you wonder. So this definitely joins the ranks in some of my rarer, harder to find buses, because generally, if you do see an S1800, it's just going to be this blank version. And quite honestly, I didn't even know that there were any other variants until Noah offered it to me. And we had to talk about it and make sure that that was original. And both of us determined that that Thomas logo, the little Thomas logo on there, is original to the bus. So like I said, I'm really happy with this. Very excited to have it. And I've been waiting for this one for a little while. So yeah. Anyways, huge shout out to Noah for letting me buy this stuff off of him. Make sure and go check out his channel, Busboy501. It'll be linked down in the description for quality bus videos. And with that, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical white button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it down and care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or these are never going to appear again, and we won't know if there are any other variants of this bus. And make sure you also share this video with a friend, show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care. Don't let anything happen to you. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video, and thanks for watching.